Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to decorate a mug. So I've done this before, but I've come up with a new design and I wanted to show it with you. So this one is going to be like an icing sort of look. It's going to have lots of really kind of like sharp points. It's going to be white, it's going to be sparkly, and it's going to be really pretty. I'm also going to use these little glass beads here as well. So they've got a flat back to them and they have like a rounded front to them, and they are all in this really pretty colour. I don't know if you can see them well enough, but these are absolutely brilliant, particularly against anything white. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here is the mug. What I'm going to do is just go around quite slowly so you can have a look at the whole design and how it sort of comes across. I'm going to grab it here so you can get the full look. So I've made it look really, really 3D, and I wanted to give it this icing sort of effect. I wanted it to have a lot of depth, I wanted it to have a lot of sharper points, and I make things that are quite often really swirly and really smooth looking, and I didn't want to do that this time. I wanted to make it really sharp and have sort of like a different look, almost as if it's material just draping over the cup. So yeah, I went round the whole mug, and as you saw from the tutorial, I just literally popped in pieces, pinched them together and put them in where I wanted them to go, and then used the glass beads in there as well. I made sure that obviously the glass beads were sunken in quite well so that they don't flick out or anything like that, and they really do well in the oven. So I literally put the whole thing in the oven and they do absolutely fine. So then, as you saw, I did the mica powder, and I've got it here. This is Arteza mica powder. It's in pearl white, and it worked out really lovely because it gave it a nice shimmer, but it didn't kind of like take it away from the original colour that I wanted to do it. So I wanted it to have a shimmer, but I didn't want it to take away from the overall look of it. So I wanted it to kind of like catch the light, but you not really sort of notice that as well. So if that even makes sense. And I added some really, really lovely glitter. Now this is from Smileys glitter store. I absolutely love this stuff. So this is Ice Blast, and I'll just show you sort of up close a little bit, but I am going to link it in the description because it just, oh, it's amazing. It just catches the light in every single direction. It's got like a mirror kind of look as well. So as you can see, when you move it, it kind of twinkles, and I absolutely love that. I have got some white left over, so I might actually do some little beads with it in because I just have to wear sparkle from time to time. But yeah, so, and all the way around the top I made sure that it caught everything at the top there. So it was kind of like the only place I really, really wanted to put the glitter. I do have a tendency to be a bit overboard sometimes with glitter, but I think I did okay with this one. So going around one more time, I made sure that it wasn't near the drinking part this time. I did a mug before and I made it right to the top, and I suppose in some ways what I was thinking at the time is that I could store something in it rather than drink out of it, and one of the comments said that it was too far up at the top, so I've kept that in mind this time and made sure that it was a lot further down. And to be honest with you, I think it gives it a really, really nice unusual look, and you will never find a mug just like this. So this is how you make a mug with an icing effect with some really, really pretty details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. I'm going to show you how to make a really cute, pretty much like I always do. And oh dear, it's going to raise my eyebrow for a second. So this was a pure white mug, blah blah blah. Fairy, I think it's fairy something or other. Where is it? Let's go find it. And then I added the fairy glitter, which is, I absolutely love this. No, it's not called fairy, is it? Dumbass. I didn't want to cover it in glitter. I do have a tendency to be a bit overboard sometimes. Oh.